Moose Creek BBQ for the last 10 years is Montana's only truly authentic Southern barbecue. Bill the Pitmaster is classically trained in Southern-style barbecue, turning out the best barbecue around. Come by our fair booth, where we offer smoked pulled pork and beef brisket, fair favorites like turkey legs and pig on a stick, deep-fried corn on the cob, and our great Kansas-style baby back ribs. Or we will see you at our downtown Hamilton restaurant, Moose Creek BBQ, your award-winning barbecue joint.